Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is May the 9th. Happy Mother's Day. In my journey to 50k, I'm currently at 130,028. Just changed to 011. So past week down by about 8.07%, which is about 11,400. For the past month down by about 8.2%, which is about 11,600. For the past 3 months down by about 30%, which is about 56,700. And for the past year up by about 36%, which is about 34,400. So every Sunday I usually show you all the positions that I'm currently in, so that you kind of can see the stocks that are bleeding on my end, so that going to next week you are careful. If you are looking at some of the stocks that I have, you're just cautious in that way that you don't get into play and have some red. For me, I'm a long-term investor, so for the most part, even if like Etsy we are like down like crazy, I just hold on, and over time we should be okay. But let's get straight to it. So right now I am a raw call NEO. I have 5 calls. I actually sold one on Friday for a pretty good profit. I believe this ones will print in the next coming weeks, but we'll see how next week goes by. Hopefully by Friday we'll make some money on it. XOP, I'm down by about like $95. I have 5 plays. SNDL, I'm on 0. CleanSpark, that's a covered call, so I'm still in the positive. ZNGA, we have a call which is still in the negative. XLP, another call. Delirium, another call. Fuel Cell, SNDL, those ones are way out 2022, so we're still waiting to see how that goes. So Tesla 70 shares, let's see 100 shares. So you can see right now it's like 8,000 profit. I used to be at around 17,000 profit, so you can see that's a big difference. Tesla was around 30 something K profit. So just those two, because they take a big chunk of my portfolio, like the biggest culprits for my drop in the 3 months. But we'll be fine if we just hold on, and I believe in the company, so I'm not worried. IDEX 2000, NEO 150, ZNGA 200, CleanSpark 150, PSEC 200. I sold the extra shares that I got from the dividends. I put them in another play, so I usually just do that when I don't want to deposit the money. I can take from those dividends that have been paid. INAV 1000, NRZ 150, O50, Nokia 600, Delirium 200, Rocket 100, CTRM 1000. That's a penny stock. It looks like we've started being positive from our red days. Charge point 100, TNXP, this is a penny stock, so I actually sold a few of the position. I think I had a 500, so we were up a good percentage, so I sold a few so that I could put some money in another place. And I'll show you, I think Tattoo Chef, I added 5 more shares, so you can see I still have some 10 shares to go to fill my 100 share position. CHEK 200 shares, that's a penny stock. PLTR, I added a few after selling the other penny stock, so I have 10 shares for PLTR. Hopefully I'll be building a PLTR position when we are very low right now, which is pretty good. So Medica was still down, 500 shares. BNGO 200 shares. BFLY 200 shares. Fuel Cell 125. CTXR 700. I think this coming week we might have some news for CTXR, so I might ride the wave and probably take a little bit of profit, but we'll see how that goes. Skills 110. Thunderbridge, so I was parking a lot of money here. I took some of the money out and spread it. I think some I put it in Dodge before the run up, just because I knew even if we will run up so high, it will probably cool off. And I think we just saw yesterday it tanked like 30%, so still I'm okay there. But I did take some shares and converted them to Dodge. And then ISR 400, Golden Nugget 150, Workhorse 100, APXT 350, ZSAN 2000, CCIV 250. So I added CCIV from also some of those Thunderbridge shares that I sold, and because I think it's at a discount and I needed to average down. So hopefully I can also build this position. I'm very bullish on CCIV, and then SNDL 2500, and then you can see Dodge, we're at 9473. So it stank pretty badly. So we were expecting something like this to happen after the hype from SNL yesterday. So hopefully you guys, the ones who got in a bit late, didn't get burned. You can see I'm still positive with a return of 138%, but just be very careful because it's very volatile, and don't get in if you're not willing to lose all the money at the same time. So just be very careful. Yeah, so that's kind of my portfolio, the ones I show every Sunday, so that you know the plays that I'm in, and also just kind of have a catalog of, when you go back you can see the ones I've gone out or the ones I'm getting in. Right now we're just riding the wave until things kind of settle, and then we'll be getting into newer plays, just because I feel like right now it's a good time to just stay calm and don't overly get aggressive with investing, just because we've seen a lot of rotation, and a lot of hedge funds are trying to drive the prices down by shorting, and that kind of makes most retail investors panic and start selling, and then the price tags, they buy in and push it up. So it's kind of nice to kind of weather the storm and see how everything is going. But yeah, that's it for me. Be green, be safe, see you on the next one. Bye.